Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to change the battery location on your Mitsubishi air conditioner remote control. Okay, now on the table, this is the Mitsubishi heavy industry air conditioner with a lot of buttons here. So all you need to do, if you just want to change the battery, just move it around and you will see the battery box here. Just hardly press this one with a little bit of the pressure from your finger, and then just take it out and you will find the battery, two battery here. Just take it out and then replace it with the new battery. Okay, and when I take out the battery, you can see the signal appear on the screen, but now it slowly disappear because we take out the battery. Okay, and then we input the battery back. So make sure that this place of your battery put to the spring of the connection, and another side the same like this. Input it back. Okay, now it get the signal back, and now just press turn it on and then press mode to cool mode. Press on one time and then you will see the temperature and everything. Now your remote control get back to work. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can change the battery on your Mitsubishi air conditioner remote control. And now thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.